If you touch Martino, I go tell Mami. That woman. I don't know this annual way by it. You name some Mzbel or free Volta region or Evany. Yeah. Now, Mami way, baby a trim. If a tabon thing say, or another woman beer. Sabio, me refrain in kakra. I Mami kutu tuntumbi. Enyan tokwa, ano monko. On wine and a John Mahama sin and niche na adiana ho. Emma never hear viral on the social media. Emma, some of the MPP bloggers krano, Eddie a campaign, Eddie Tia, Yeura, John Darega, Dramani Mahama say, or your beer, or Nenkura, and then Mayoa, slave queen. Yes, so you slave king, because no one is slave queen for any tribom. Abusadia Nasi. Now we are here to about 2024 we moin 7th December mohoi. NDC for a bomb modern here for some modern by campaign pa. Now one of the people Oba bon trenana ho ye nwa pa ene sa ma me aye friend Mzbel because obribiano or finding a way to disassociate herself from the NDC. Because when him say oyin animu kese a ebeke se one Mahama ada ana Mahama ye dem plantia oyo de oyo etima amedine hu sie be 2024 abra na MPP amanyoko ne MPP campaign communicator say ebo mother so mbe kire Ghana for the importance of Ghana card adwuma pa Ghana card ye ma Ghana man na be bo ma o man Ghana akọ nanim enti amanfo nhweso na omonkoto abamma Yeura Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumiano. Sabre no in that heat no. Mami I find Mzbel. Esheda ekreti content be edit to ni profile. So as our content no na you completely misinformed and misleading what them call message. Mami sheda kujina airport babi ekoye video bi say ne passport ayira okitane Ghana card so de ba Ghana airport for so monte ase ma ne mfa ne Ghana card ne ntu kwanti asema Dr. Bawumia kase enye Dr. Bawumia nko a aikai a omoye agency a omokire nkrata ye de tu kwan wo airport efiri oman bi so kọ oman foforo so omo ankase be gina bonten kan se Ghana card no eya ade bi omo age atum se so ye Ghana ni nko a na ufiri oman foforo bi san ba oman mu no kita Ghana card na no passport wa they will allow you to move no me wetin be gina bonten ebe bogu se sa asem na aikai fo e kan o enye nokore because ono ankasa I experience it and I'm so mama ko airport ekotwa nkwase video di deceive Ghana for say enye nokore da se Ghana card no is so important in the humans or in the Ghanaian's life. Asem we beto abontre no ebe ye nsem bebre e ma Ghana for bebre na agi to mu se Mzbel ka asem we dia na se de ono ka no e na ye nokore e na omogi tum no mkese Dr. Bawumia e ye ntrofo me pese wo hwe video no hwe video na ansa as ne aba nsem no so because nsem na eba no mu edu ensem na eba no mu edu because sabra video no beto abonten no Ghana for bebre bi se omo ho se what is going on especially omo ana omo nim say asem na ma amene kan nye nokore no ye bisa ye ho se de na ekoso sana there was a promise behind us now the ye ni kanko yenko tie abra Mzbel eko gina airport eko kreti content na nye nokore na mom no na intention e wo akire ne say ya promising of something entino or denigrate the image of Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumia video no ne hwe na yenko yanim
Ghana card no enye foku Ghana card no eni to media aputo ana page ye ko shopping ena mayira me purse ye passport room me the Ghana card aba airport say the body. Almost a lie. Yeah, you say I can't baby. The only solution is to go to the Ghana embassy and get traveling documents. And to Ghana card, a home for swap anything. Ghana card, any to me. We are stranded, baby. A bit to me, you are free. Ghana card, then I would either. What the tablet?
Yeah, the telephone sporting bet.
A home for swan. Nana, are you okay? We have to go back to a hotel. And we don't know how long we are staying. Cecilia, we have to get a hotel and wait for the Ghana embassy to resume work. Now you're calling traveling documents. And Sana, it's me for Ghana. You're calling your passport. Ghana card ain't me saving. It is a Yenisika, you did a hotel now for a couple of days. I pay a day. You pay stranded. You're near down for never so any do a high pay a day. You're paying stranded. It's a Ghana card. And who first one is saying Ghana card, now you're in the room. And who first one anything. I'm buying. Ghana card, yeah, but me Ghana card number. Why? It is a show. I dream said that she be Ghana card. The boy in times like this, me patcho media dance actual. What one bolos who pay stranded, and so be able to find your own passport to buy.
Yes, I will say I'm for where there. Or say, or here only Mukasa, or Sinana one. Or here only Mukasa, or Sinana one. Video ya ohwe na eye Mzbel enam pa na ye dia bono enam backdoor agreement bia na ye wura Mahama ene na continue maami tumi nya akokoduro ebegina wiase amansan nyina nim eka kire Ghana for say Ghana card ehon nem faso real the identification document, the only authentic identification document I wore my num no. Maami we tumi nya akokoduro begina Ghana for anim kan kire won say ehon nem faso. Dr. Bawumia dada yen yamana ka kwantum. Listen, o kan sembi o se ne purse enumu na ne passport to share. Purse be na passport ekom. Ya to asle ekoyade. Enti maami kan sem we it was a year very viral on the social media. Inyaba bari mai. Sana onim de watchre. De na watchre nyina ne say Mzbel na Mahama promise no say onye campaign farmer NDC na so omuba bedi oman no so a ombe hu ko ombe fa so a omuba setre no enti we na ma Mzbel nya akokoduru a okoye sa nkwase adwuma we enti adwuma na okoye no so in fact eboaye because Emma Mami we say the medical kind nipa omudi na chi wo Ghana omo support na dwuma oye na nyuma oto enkrofo a omo hu na sabio omo bidibi asore omo dawso enti Mami ba bontra oboye nkwase video we no actually no e create say ensema Dr. Bawumia kan ye say with Ghana card no say we Ghana ni as a citizen of Ghana na ukita Ghana card ewo baabi manfufuro bi so abra won passport na opese won sign mra wo man mo betumi aba no asem no amanfo sign the tene e di against Dr. Bawumia se wadi ntro and am so amanfo kese Dr. Bawumia trofo nti omo nkoto aba mfa ama na me ma me Monica me wakọ aba amanfo kan so omo nkoto aba mfa ama yewura Bawumia because wadi ntro yede ye ni na etiko na ye hwe na yesi Nyankopon ho no ofane bo a oto na onto ne ntem mami atumi aboa ama ya campaign kama successful campaign ama ni wura ono ankasa ne mpenafo ba akopɛ John Dariga Dramani Mahama abaye president enti Mzbel atena ho for more than a year say or twɛn sɛ yewura Dariga ebe sɔre na wafa phone na wafrɛ ne sɛ papa me ankasa me mpena ba yoa young girl bra na promise amede ma no me fama Mzbel so atena for almost 1.5 year near obi amfrɛ no papa na oye Jo Mahama no ne promise no so no o se antisa bi yo ne kan ye bia no it's not true enra Mzbel ba bontene a osu wodadaja o si onka NDC party hu biem because panyina odi party na nim no adine hwambo adin trachre no amana ye campaign as a campaign na oye ye no so amanfa so. My question is, do you campaign for a president to make or to change your country, or you campaign for a president to put money in your pocket? Mzbel, yeah, also Mzbel. 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 One worry here. Would you uncle video number? Munti asema Mzbel ekaneha. Ose Mahama I disappoint no. She never thought say ono ankasa ne mpena for ba akopɛ John Dariga Dramani Mahama can do this to her. Mami Monica, me mo akwa bapa. Abusia she video no like comment. Na enko ye ni. Nwe video no mra.
I joined the party because of the Obi Kachirem. And I nipa no onyo nipa hu bi keke. Oye nipa oye chichiwa Obi party no. Enti say na nya di me ma. Me nya den.
What regret is we?
Me regret it because me share dey wo.
Are you still a member of NDC?
Me nya member of BBA. Me a member of Miami Society. Jami kwa me ya bua me no. Enu kwa na me member wo. Ni bibia o nipa dase ni bia ti bia esa ni kwa member bia. Esa me ti ase esa nchehye aka wo. Nchehye aka wo ni say enye by force say ade ni be ye wo say ye bua because sa na ye ka kire me say enye by force say
when the time.
Oh, me ti me boni din me. Me money din because me boni oba be popular oba be cheche mu. Abe kasa create me. But ya catch me say enye by force say we support party bia we say yes ye be ma. Aha, and you know, the amiya abuame no. I've gone back to it, and to be honest, some advice na abuame is helping me. The amiya abuame
na say NDC with you.
Me nkan bi.
Wow.
Me ni mubium. Me ni
T-shirt ni o ko na say na membership card.
Me wo BBA bi. Me amesika na me dey campaign. Me amesika na me twa T-shirt to try apart from the omode so mama ene omo so me so na re nyina me amesika 60%.
Omo so omo wa hinsisi
omo tiase
omo positions
omo position like sekese me no se me cry anya bibia ama me cry me expect say a domo time there are pictures and videos of these people and yes omo ye nipa bia keke they have degrees almost qualification na ide omo she baby omo timi ye eduma bua aban ni mani ye mama dia ko e ka chem say it's too early Africa say it's now be support party no because we ni mu say sa na obeye imba support bo na afeni managbena who can them say I support it because of saying this? Of course, I supported the party because I wanted something. I wanted people that followed me to get the jobs. I wanted people that comes to my pub to beg for money, to not come to me and beg for money, but have jobs that can support them. But unfortunately, I'm and you know. Yeah, the reason why I open up to say these things so that the people who come to me and
will say why
Miami and because sisi na me to bibi mama who I say party na ba ya wan say wanya we why don't say no but me akasa no people who modi in small ways ebu me for party no but me jidi say party ne ba dia mo amudi mechi nyina obi a be didi peche because that was the party slogan obi a be didi peche 24 hours Hours economy, mo fian oba ye ni peche. She mo fian weba, ah ye ni peche. She be ni nyansa, ame ye ni peche. Ame ye ni po. Tane ba she peche. E won ame ha me pressure. E won sane mo ha ni mo fian mo hali aken. Me try, but it's not working.
It's not say uche mo.
Omo de omo ho be don me no. They can forgive me that I let them to do what they did. Na ene omo kita applications so mo nya adwuma ni. Enya me fault. Ena enya say adwuma ni ni ho. But unfortunately, it's not working out.
Yes. Me say sika ma behu na bo hanso be den e behu bi. Me yamba ma wutie me. So tiasma Mzbel kan ya. She's completely disappointed. She is completely disappointed. When we say OTC NDC, or say 24-hour economy, Obia be di peche. Obia be di peche. Na asamna de ya wom, I will say wuntie ne say. Mzbel akama ya te ase e woni video we mu say. Papa na odi party na nim ene ne kwa pam bi. Ene na enam so a ono odi ono ankasa ne bottom sika. I came in some Mwakaba, I was saying to the Mwakaba dollars, Obu Abi, also Aquaba. Mzbel so the Onwankasa ne bottom musika and the year campaign. A sign a gadang crofo Mwanko school. Emma Muyen Kwasi Juma said the NDC beba power. The intention and I'm so modi koye no. Na ono Mzbel no. Na unim sesana ye settings. Into the settings, and Shasia when they came in power, they started with their campaign, setting the people. 419, the most common language I use. If I can say 419. Mzbel Chileso on one castle to a Jitumu say, Yabuni Kwasia, Yabunu Jimmy for, Yadinajuna ya Juma, ya yusu Najuna Dani Tim dia ya Juma mene. Emfaso abaso no onya binni. My question that I want to put on you to reason is say, enti se ukoto aba, do you go there to vote say the beya abai ni bedi akonwa odi sika ba be show bottom ana say ukoye campaign de ma abai bi said the beya obema oman akonanim. This is the difference. Sam kwasiafo adwene ne omutimo agimifo nko a adum bi na adum omo a omo atime pagye omumu adrum pempenso bi a oman bi te se ga na man omo agidin a sebi so omo ne kurampo na amanfo di akire. But enam so omo adwene no mu esuanti no koko mine no etumi eboa wona no ese wona adwene Ekan semfun gu omutim ama omoso de nante ti said ya kan Bible mu asem e de ato omutim. Listen to me very carefully. Mzbel wo yo to yi. SS kura wa wie o. SS kura wa wie. Be Jimmy for ba we. Enam promise ani ya promising intino. O to me echo critique content to denigrate the image of Dr. Bawumia, to denigrate a statement na aikai for agiatum. Aikai for edon mustampo si ase. Jimini bodamuntino odina kuma ekodi enkrofo na di omunim di omo hwehwe ene se kwan yo mbefa so mbaba bedi oman no so na omo atumi di afa so aye omo hu yie ene wakofra ohema ntoma wakofra ohema ntoma akobo ohema duku ede ohema eniema gugu ukon mu eba besu di akire ganafo se ne wajuma kura na wo ye a wonyom to na awoto no enipa na omudi wachi no emu achemienu because who identify who to be an NDC person. Jimmy during the campaign time na metaka asem we pass we ase ayewo no Nyankopon bo nipa no omo obia adwene e wo ne tim but se wo anye wadwene se obe yusu wadwene no obe yusu nyansa na e wo adwene num di agege wo ho a don't worry sit down ubenya obi obeba obema wa yusu nyansa na e di aka ne de ne ho no de akonanim. This is actually what is happening today. And as a man for him in videos, old videos, they will understand where I'm coming from. I will say, a lot of the people are not monam kwans no mo yen kwase adwuma epun kwase atopa. E denigrate an image of a party or by ya odi nipa dom echo school. Say am koto abamfama corn man bia obedi akonwa. Nebreso sum etochi Ghana ekom etochi yen ye financial sector break it down ye suku sem say ye enkrofo wetumi nya kokoduro ebegina ho say ye nkonkoto abamfama saa papa no ena me no kasemi ba me barima. What is actually happening now? We are going back to 2014, 2013, 2015, 2016. The same mess, we are repeating it. I was saying, you push your home forward to go, young queer nimno. Miss Bernum, and then quasia phobinum, aquatum quasia nyum, aquapum quasia topa, aqua engage and crowform or manco yajuma bonem, aqua fasa sabron, sambia besia so and now. Everything, every sector in the country is in the decline. Bibia is from Bibia say, and now better now be swatch ye. Dear neighbor to me, I am. Mzbel. Dear, and I yang, give it to me, I am. Only one and a quapam, call ho, no monkos of problem, bro, and me can't Ghana for. Don't come and talk to us. And mama can't agreement on your mokoye. You act in the capacity of Mzbel. I will him say now we followers. Now him say now you're linked to a lot of people. You convince you. You take advantage of that to do the worst thing that you can do to them. And they also kunyan hunre. Nyansan unyan suen ye. Obe suen nyansan kopim sobe because baby when you dra still also one thing your mass now tell us me the wadwini di agodo. I will say you have a very long way to go. Mzbel, what we no. Ain't say you treat your bow, you trew, you trew on pum, as you trew, and what man you say more. You trew at Jitum, Ubedia Sumbo. O fata Sumbo me no tie. Medimeno back home. Jimmy. Next time, a do say a campaign. Na kwasi ampanyi bi asori ba wanim. Se koyem kwasi adwuma. You will sit down and use your senses to analyze and say among can chiro. How can a buying be to American just obia be didi peche? Obia be didi peche. Now utimi me no to utim as a reason to go and vote. At the omani sikano yenche ni ana. Jimmy afena usu unya hu Mzbel more are coming bebre beba enche ba bia woton wunu ya no unya light kura na wo de ya adwuma wo ho there you will see so